Hello, I'm Jonica, branch manager at PNC Bank.
And hi, my name is Neil, and I am a product manager on PNC's digital mobile team. And we are going to show you how easy it is to make an Apple Pay contactless payment with your PNC cards.
Due to COVID-19, so many Americans today are really trying to find different ways to eliminate touching anything. And we are going to go over Apple Pay and how easy it could be for you just to use your debit card, your PNC credit card, or even your Smart Access card to make your everyday purchases without having any contact whatsoever.
So to add your PNC card to Apple Pay, you'll first open the PNC mobile app on your mobile device and sign in with your PNC user ID and password. After signing in, you'll tap on the menu button and you'll navigate to the card section. From there, you'll be able to tap on the Add to Apple Wallet button on the specific card you wish to add to Apple Pay. After tapping on the button, you'll confirm that you want to add the card, read and agree to the terms and conditions, and then your card will be added to Apple Pay. Lastly, you'll be prompted to set your PNC card as the default card within Apple Pay, so that when it's time to check out, your card will be immediately ready for payment. So now that the card is set up for Apple Pay, I'm going to show you how to actually make a payment using Apple Pay. And so this is an example of a payment terminal, and these tend to look different across different merchants. But when you go to check out, you're going to look for the contactless symbol. Looks like this. And this is how you know that you can use Apple Pay, because Apple Pay is accepted anywhere you see this symbol. So when you see this symbol, what you'll do is you'll take your phone and you'll hover your phone over the payment terminal. And you don't need to actually come in contact with the terminal. You'll then be prompted to confirm the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. Once you see the check mark, your payment has been submitted. And there you have it. That's how you use Apple Pay. One simple way to avoid unnecessary contact while you're shopping.